If you are facing issue where a 24H2 update is paused on your PC and not sure why and how it's happening, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about why and how this error happens and how is it going to be fixed. Watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. Firstly, we'll discuss the gradual rollout of the Windows 11 24H2 update, which began on October 1st. The update has encountered several known issues, and one significant issue involves Intel's Smart Sound technology drivers that occasionally cause blue screen while using screen recording software. Microsoft has acknowledged 6 known issues, including the driver problem, an SFC scan bug that fails to fix detected errors, and a storage sense issue preventing the deletion of 8.63 GB of Windows Update cache. Microsoft is working on fixes expected and upcoming update release. There was also an issue related to crash on specific Western Digital SSDs. A potential temporary registry fix was shared as a workaround. Due to this and other issues reported on Microsoft Feedback Hub, Microsoft has reportedly paused 24H2 update for affected devices. This compatibility hold or safeguard hold means users with device impacted by this issue may not see the updates available on their Windows Update page. So you might need to wait for the official rollout on their Windows Update page instead of forcing the update through tools like Update Assistance and media creation tools, as doing so may lead to compatibility issues. The suggestion is to hold off on installing 24H2 until the update becomes officially available on Windows Update to avoid potential problem. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.